Do you want to know what David prophesied right as he stood before Goliath? It can be found in Psalm 144. It reads, "There is only one strong, safe, and secure place for me. It's in God alone, and I love him. He's the one who gives me strength and skill for the battle. He's my shelter of love and my fortress of faith, who wraps himself around me as a secure shield. I hide myself in this one who subdues enemies before me. Lord, what is it about us that you would even notice us? Why do you even bother with us?" Fast forwarding to verse 7, "Reach down from your heavens and rescue me from this hell and deliver me from these dark powers." And what did God do? We all know the story. He rescued David from Goliath. This is what you should be prophesying to all of your giants that try to stand in your way and hinder the plans God has for your life. It's time to speak life over your situation, and Psalm 144 is a great place to start.